Suppose you are in a cafe named O Cafe. You are sitting there, maybe doing some work or just scrolling reels, and suddenly your mobile data get finishes. So you look around and see a board, free Wi-Fi available. You open your device Wi-Fi settings and you see two networks. The first one is O Cafe Wi-Fi and the second one is O Cafe free Wi-Fi. And honestly, most of the people will connect with the second one because it is free and also provided from the O Cafe. So you'll trust it and connect with it, and you will think that this is a safe Wi-Fi. But what if I tell you that the O Cafe free Wi-Fi is not from the cafe? It is actually created by a hacker who is sitting in the same cafe and he is trying to steal people's credential. This type of scam is called evil twin Wi-Fi attack. What hackers do is simple. They created a hotspot with a name that looks like the real one. In our case, the real Wi-Fi is OCafe Wi-Fi, but the hacker created its fake Wi-Fi, OCafe free Wi-Fi. And when you connect, your internet traffic goes through their network first. That means that they will be like a middleware, wherever your data's destination is, but they will go through the attacker's system. Now, the hacker can do a lot of dangerous things like showing you fake Wi-Fi login page or redirect you to fake website and steal your login information if you entered it there. They can also see which websites you are visiting and steal your sessions, or they can attempt to do local network attacks through which they can get more access of your data or device. And before you say this never happens in real life, this is just theoretical, let me tell you, it is actually happened in the past. In June 2024, Australian Federal Police charged a man for creating fake Wi-Fi networks at major airports and flights to stealing people's credentials using this fake Wi-Fi trap. But the question is it really dangerous or just hyped up? Look, even if you are connected to an evil twin Wi-Fi and use apps like WhatsApp, Instagram or Gmail that we mostly use in our daily life, hackers can steal all your data or login credential. This is because these apps use HTTPS protocol, which means that all data will be encrypted while transmitted. So even if it will go through the attacker system, the attackers cannot read it because all of the data is encrypted. However, they can still do dangerous things like redirecting you to fake login page of WhatsApp or Gmail. And if you entered your login credential there, then it is gone. So that now you understand how these attacks happen and how much harmful is it. Now let's understand how to be safe from it. Before logging to any page while you are connected on public Wi-Fi, make sure to check the URL because maybe the hackers redirect you to the fake login page to get your credential. And try to avoid enter passwords on pages that opens just after connecting to the public Wi-Fi. Use your mobile hotspot if it is possible, and if you have to use public Wi-Fi then make sure to use it with a VPN. And if you want to see how you can actually do evil twin attack in real life, then let me know in the comment section. I'll make a full video on how to perform the evil twin attack on real life.